Good evening, everybody. This is Sean C. Harrison, singer, songwriter, poet, general writer out of uh, Red Hill, Spain, Morant Bay, St. Thomas, Jamaica. Good afternoon, or good night, or good morning, wherever all our beloved people are scattered on the beautiful continent of Mother Africa. I bring greetings to you from Jamaica and salute you all. And this evening, I would just like to, this evening where I am, I'd just like to grace you all with a hymn again that is entitled, O Love of God, How Strong and True. It is one of my very favorites, and I've always loved to sing it. And I pray as you all listen that you will share after you are done and listen again, to get everything that it has to say, and hope that your hearts will be lifted and inspired to hear in song about the manifold and wonderful life-changing love of God, or Jah, or Yah, or Jehovah, or Elohim, or Adonai, or El Shaddai, or Yahweh, Jesus Christ, Yeshua, whatever names we call him by, Ancient of Days, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. All these are his names and list his attributes as we learn their meanings. And even more than these names is the God we serve, who is great and mighty and can do all things. So whatever your situations are, whatever your problems turn out to be, just like I found out, I would like to encourage you that God is bigger than any obstacle, any problem, any lack, any sickness, any situation or circumstances. And because he has given us all that we need for life and godliness, we can be confident that we can live this life as I have learned through all my struggles and all my heartaches and pains. I have learned to live in the light of his countenance and in the light of his grace and his love. And I would just like to shed abroad the truth of the love of God for us all in this little hymn that I've always loved to sing. Oh, love of God, how strong and true, eternal and yet ever new, uncomprehended and unbought, beyond all knowledge and all thought. Oh, love of God, how deep and great, far deeper than man's deepest hate, self-fed, self-kindled, oh, like the light, changeless, eternal, infinite. We read the best in him who came to bear for us the cross of shame, sent by the Father from on high, our life to live, our death to die. And we read thy power to bless and save. In the darkness, of the grave, still more in resurrection light, we read the fullness of thy might. O love of God, our shield and stay through all the perils of the way. Eternal love, in thee we rest, forever safe, forever blessed. O love of God, how strong and true, eternal and yet ever new, uncomprehended and unbought, beyond all knowledge and all thought. O love of God, how strong and true. Thank you. And I have learned that love, and I know that love for myself, even after many years of questioning, of doubting, after many years of believing that I was not loved. But I learned His love, and that is why I can sing with conviction and tell you that the love of God is greater than anything. Thank you again.